Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you how you can run various LLM models locally in your system. So this video is different from all other videos because here we will be looking at the easiest possible way for installing LLM models and running it locally in your system. So we will not be using Python, we will not be using Docker, we will not be using any of those things. We will try to make it as simple as possible. So that is the unique thing about this video. So you have to come to this website. It's called Llama.com. So there is one more way you can run the models in your system that I will cover in another video. So this is very popular. So this is called as Llama.com. You can come to this website. Then you have to install this. So here you can run various models. They have a library of all the models that is available. You come here and say download. So when you click on download, you will see Mac, Linux, Windows. So here you will select Windows, then click on download. Then it's a normal installation file. You just click on that downloaded exe file. Then you have to install that. So once it is installed, then you are good with Llama part. So now if you go here to models, you can see a library of all the models that is available there. So these are the various model that is there. Now if I go to Quen 2.5, there's another model that is there. So now once you have installed this, you need one more thing that is known as anythingllm.com. So this will give you a GUI or graphical user interface to interact with the LLM model. But if it is not there, you can still run it. So I'll go to command prompt. If you see command prompt, so here I can go and type in Llama. Okay, so when I type in Llama, you can see the results. So what are the various things that is there? You can run a model, you can start Llama. When you say serve, it will start Llama. So here you will see this. Now it is closed. Let me close this Llama. Okay, now if I say serve, okay, I have to say serve Llama. Llama serve. I'm also using it for the first time. Okay, so it has started. So I have to say Llama serve. So now if you see, now it is Llama is running. Now if I want to plug in a model, right? Now if I want to plug in a model in here, then what should I do? So I can list the various models that is there, or I can run a model. So now I have started this in this area. You can see this. So let me try to show it one more time. You have to go to command prompt, then say Llama. Then you can see various commands that is available here. You can remove a model. So if I want, I can say rm. So let me remove it and show it from scratch because I have already installed a model here. So let me show you how to remove a model. Okay, so let me remove this model. So let me list the model first of all. What all things are that? List or llama list. Okay, so it's gonna list the models that I have it here. So it has Quen 0.5b. Okay, so I am gonna say llama rm this. Okay, that model is deleted. Now if I want to add a new model, so if I want to add a new model, so let's say this is like 0.5 billion parameters, so it's like 398 MB megabytes. If I look into other model, yeah, this is Quen. This is the easiest one which I can download, right? If you see, the easiest model I can download. So in terms of speed of internet, I'm saying, so now if I want to pull this model, right, pull a model from a registry, so I'll say llama pull this. So now it is pulling the manifest. That means it's getting the model from the internet. So you see that 397 MB. So it's getting downloaded. I have chosen this model because it's smaller size so that I can easily show you from beginning till end in this video. Okay, so now it is Qwen 2.5 model from Alibaba. It's a latest large-scale dataset encompassing up to 18 trillion tokens. So this is the entire thing. If you see, I have just downloaded the easiest one or the smallest model. So now let it run. Now once it is done, we will have to do other things also. So I have already downloaded a software called Anything LLM. So this is required for giving you an user interface. So I am installing it for the first time. So let me install it. Okay. Okay. Anything LLM only for me. Okay. Install. That is installing behind the scenes. So here the model is also installed. Okay. Model is already installed. Now if I list the models, I'll see this model. Okay. It is there. Now if I want to run this Llama model, I can just come here and say this command. That's it. So it will run that model. Then I can use in this command prompt, I can ask various questions which I normally use GPTs. Write a 100-word description about Bangalore and why it is best suitable for IT companies. Okay, I'm asking it write a 100-word article. So Bangalore, the capital of Karnataka, stands as a beacon of innovation and growth in tech industry with its Bangalore. So it's not connecting to the internet, it's running locally. So it's giving me all this essay kind of thing, right? So this information is good, but if I want to get this in a UI, that is where I am using this. Let it run. So once it is set up, I'll be able to use that using GUI. So this is command prompt. Here again, I can ask various questions. I can ask like, how many I is present in facilities. Okay, how many I is present in facilities. The word facilities does not contain any letters that are commonly considered part of English alphabet. Therefore, there is no space or letter at all in the phrase for I to be present. That is not the answer that I have expected. So I will ask it again. How many letter I in this facilities? So now it's saying the word facilities contain two letters, F and A, but that's not what I asked. So that is what happens when you download a smaller size model. So its knowledge is also limited. Its capabilities are also limited. So you can download a bigger model. So if you can see here, there are bigger models that is available. So let this run. So once it runs, then I can show you how it works in the UI. So now if you go here to other models that is there, a lot of models that is existing. I can show you the high level some of the models which is there till this loads. If you go to Llama search DeepSeek R1, so this is like 671 billion parameters are there, which is one of the largest, I guess. So now if you look at 671, it requires a massive 404 GB to run. And in terms of Infrastructure, it will require those graphics card and other things to run to support that, but it will be very intelligent. And in many portals like Perplexity, they have hosted this DeepSeek R1 in servers within US so that the data doesn't pass on to China and other countries. I'm just looking for this to run. So once it is run, I can show you how anything LLM can be used. So as you can see, it got installed. So I am also using for the first time. So I wanted to give you this experience because I wanted to know how easy it is for a normal user who doesn't know anything about it to use it. Okay, so let's see. So it's finished. So this is the terminal. So it's asking me, do you want to allow public and private network access? Okay, allow. Okay, anything LLM. Okay, this is the command prompt of it. Now I want this to be in a UI driven. So now if you see here, anything LLM has started, your personal LLM trained on anything. So that is what they provide you with. It's free to use, as you can see here. So it's loading. So once it is loaded, we can use it. Now if you see here, Llama is running in the background. Okay, so now let this install. It's already installed. It's opening. Let's try to close some of the things which is not required. Maybe it's the first initial configuration. Maybe that's why it's taking a little bit of time. Okay, it's started. Get started. So you can search for various LLM providers. So I'll look for Llama. Run locally on this. So if you see here, you have already installed this. I have already downloaded this model. So maximum number of token is this. So Llama base URL. Enter the URL where Llama is running. I don't have to mess up with things around here. Performance mode is base default. I'll keep it. Okay, so let's. Okay, your model and chats are only accessible on the machine running Llama models. Data handling and privacy. That is what it's saying. So what will you use anything LLM for personal use? So asking me to enter the email ID. I'm going to use give me challenge. Okay, my workspace name is home research. Okay, so it's gonna create my workspace. Now you see, anything LLM is the easiest way to use it. So anything LLM can run anything. How do you get started? How do I get started? So it's easy. You just create a workspace. So my workspace is already there. So I'll say, so I can upload information. I can upload images. I can upload text. So let's say, hello. I'll ask, give me ideas that can compete with, that can complement apps like Uber, which I can offer. Give me ideas that can complement apps like Uber, which I can offer. So renting a car through an app such as Carrepo, using an app such as Lyft for public transport, several ways to complement apps, renting bikes and going to parks. So it is giving me all this information here. So now if you look at, I can customize, change the settings. If I go here back, I have other information also there. So this is the, if I want to go back, this is that area. Now I can add any image also. So view all the available agents you can use for chatting. So agent, the default agent for this workspace. Okay, I can say web scraping, web browsing, custom agents are coming soon. That's what it says. @agent, the default agent for this workspace. So I don't know whether it is gonna search for the information. View all available / comments for chatting. So if I want to speak, I can speak too. Let me try that too. Which are the best surfing sports in India? I think it requires downloading Whisper model from local or remote storage for that to work. That's what it's saying. Okay, so it's doing that, I guess, transcribing the voice that I already put in. So I think it's doing that. All right, you're trying to complement Uber by offering other transportation options through option. What is the next question or topic should I discuss? What are the surfing sports in India? You're saying audio recording was blank. What are the surfing sports in India? Okay, I don't know whether it works that way. So now if I want to attach any information to this chat, I can do that too.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.